What's going on, gang? It's your boy Six. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a quick little install for y'all today. It's a windy, chilly day in Atlanta today, y'all. As y'all can see, we out here on the rooftop where they got the F30 right here. Y'all already know she looking good today. Wheels on the way, wheels on the way. But yeah, guys, today I got a quick little headlight install for y'all. But before we even get to that, I did get a little decal. I'm gonna throw this on the back of the whip. Y'all probably can't even see. Let me show y'all this. Got this from a website on YouTube. I mean, not YouTube, on Instagram. Quick little decal. Show my little YouTube off on the whip before I get to getting my, you know what I'm saying, my sponsor and everything on the car, whatever and whatnot. But I'm thinking where I'm gonna put it at. So I might put it over there on the side, maybe on the back, wherever this is gonna fit. Yeah, we're gonna do that before we even get into the install though, guys, for the headlight. But I did get some LEDs though, guys, for the headlights. I did not get actual new headlights. I still got the halogens. Still got the halogens, but hey, they actually look hard though, still though, even though they're not the halo. But yeah, I got the LED DRLs in right now. But we about to change the low beams though, like my actual headlights that I use on my car at night, because those are still shining that nasty orange. So I was able to get some headlights from a guy I met on Instagram. Shouts out to him, Moby. I'm gonna leave the link to his stuff in the description. I'll leave his info. He blessed me with these headlights, guys, so we about to test them out, throw them in, and see how they look, guys. Yes, Sarsky. But yeah, we're gonna get right into the install as soon as I throw that decal on. Let's get it though.
In this game we play, it's always gonna be bumps in the road. Bumps in the road.
She was all laying down. Okay, you guys, so it's kind of a two-hand job. I'm trying to peel it off with one hand and then start peeling the letters off with it. So I had to slow myself down a little bit. But yeah, it's pretty tough. Everybody subscribe to the channel when they pull up next to me in traffic, you feel me? Hopefully. I'm gonna get right into this headlight install, hopefully get this knocked out pretty quick. By the way, guys, I don't think I showed y'all this, but this big box right here, y'all know what this is? Just guess. Alright, y'all, so I'm not sure how well y'all can see, but these are the lights before the LED change out. So these are just the halogen headlights, guys. These are what the beams look like. I'm not sure how well y'all can see, but y'all can tell it's kind of that yellowy orangey color. It's not that bright white we want, so we finna see what we can do with these. Let's get right into it though. Alright, y'all, so we got one LED in. It's on and working. There's the old bulb right there. So we're gonna do the other side, put them back into place, and we should be straight. Well, we got both of the LEDs in, guys. Look at that white light. As y'all can see, the parking lights are still shining that kind of halogen color. On the inside, up in there, that parking light is still shining, but we got the LEDs from the headlights, gang. Shit, that look hard to me. The sun up here blocking what we need to see, but hey. You guys tell me. I think these look amazing. Shouts out to Augustito Headlight. Shouts out to my guy Moody, man. Shouts out. Let's get it, gang. I'm gonna see about if I can code off that light up there. If I can code off that yellowy light up there, or maybe see if I can exchange that off for LED, if anything. I've already got 2 LEDs put up in these on my own, guys. Let's get it. But yeah, gang, LED headlight install check mark. Next up, debadging, carbon, lip spoiler, and some more stuff on the way. I'm getting some wheels for Christmas, guys. Got a surprise on those for y'all. Don't even worry about it. Stay tuned in. Subscribe. Smash that button. Appreciate it, guys.